Good morning, everybody. This is Dr. Narendra Kumar from Biomedical Department of Sales and Technology. Today, we are going to see the video lecture about the topic is embedded system. The embedded system is a common term. We can be nowadays all the locations we are seeing the embedded system. So, before going to see the concept of the embedded system, we must know what is embedded system. Then why the name has embedded system. The single statement is we saw this statement in often that simply told that the embedded system is a combination of hardware and software. That's a simple statement. Whatever books or wherever you're going to see the definition, it is simply given by the combination of hardware plus software. But what is the outcome of this task? What is the outcome of this hardware and software? Here, the very important concept is it is a normal computing processing system, but the difference is that in the embedded system, it gives that intended of specific task. So, you can develop one system for the specific task. For a specific task means what? It's any application, any real-time application. That is very, very important thing. It's a real-time application. So, if you develop one system, especially for the particular task, it needs some hardware and software part. So, both combine this hardware and software part combinedly give the one specific task. For example is, we are simply take as a small addition purpose. We have the system. That system is especially do the task of addition of any two numbers. It is my system requirements. My system requirements of this one. So what I am doing here, I can develop one system. This is one system, right? The output is only it do the addition. Whatever may be type of numbers or numericals or figures you are giving, right? It add this or combine these two numbers and give the addition of this corresponding value. So I can develop the system which consists of one software, then one hardware part, right? Then it gives the task is 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So the addition is my specific intent task. While now the question is automatically arise in your mind is, right? If I want to do the system for multiplication or division or subtraction, this system will support? No, because the embedded system is especially for the specific task. Embedded system is especially for the specific task. Now, I am going to put the two questions in front of you, right? For justification of this embedded system, I am going to give two questions which is represent or justification of this embedded system. First one is our normal PC is embedded system. Is the first question. Our normal PC is an embedded system, right? And second question is our mobile phone is embedded system. I am giving the two questions behind you. Now, both questions are single line. That means the PC is doing some task and mobile phone is doing some task for some particular type of operation. But answer is different. Your PC is embedded system? No, it will not to be embedded system. Why? The question is, the PC is general purpose system. The PC is general purpose system and especially it do the multitasking. It do the multitasking. And last one is very important point is that the user can change the program. User can change the program based on application. So this is the very, very important point for comparison of the embedded system with general purpose system. The embedded system, the end user can't change the applications or can't change the program. But the general purpose system, the end user can change the program, right? Next one is, mobile phone is an embedded system. The answer is what? here the mobile phone is embedded system is absolutely correct. It is a yes. Why it is yes? Right? The mobile phone which do the various, you can simply ask the question is, sir, in the mobile phone we are doing various types of functions, hearing the songs, seeing the videos and web browsing, and we are doing testing some message or what are things we are doing that one. But my question is here is, you can clearly understand the point is that all the applications cannot run simultaneously. So what I am going to give explanation point this slide. Suppose you are hearing the song in your mobile phone, right? Suddenly you have some incoming calls, right? What happened in the mobile phone? The songing purpose will be stopped. Then the call will be come to the scenario. Then we can pick the call. The corresponding song, video song play can be stopped, and we can continue this conversation. After end the video call process, then immediately the song can be process continues. So you see the difference is that hardline difference is, right? One of the process is running, and another process will come to the scenario. Automatically the previous one is stop up. So mobile phone is have the embedded system, yes, because it will do the task is in a single manner. So this is the basic things behind the embedded system, and it is a basic classification of the embedded system. Compare with your general purpose system, that is your computer system. The very important point I want to specify here is, in general purpose system, that is your PC, you can change the program. End user can change the program according for applications. But in embedded system, it will have to be the single process. Now, second layer, we are move on to this embedded system. We slowly in depth to the embedded system. What are the components can be needed? Right? What are components to be used for the embedded system? It's a common scenario. One is an input device. One is your normal input device and a embedded system. And output device. Then link to the environment, and last one is interface to the system, interfacing. So this is a next level of the embedded system components. So input device is it's a simple nothing but your normal sensor. Normal sensor is your input device, and our output device is actuators. And linked to the environment is various peripherals. That is very hard to be the peripherals. The peripherals is a additional hardware component like your printers, whatever may be. And interfacing is a communication. What is a communication protocol? We can be used in between the embedded system for different components. So you can see the input device is a sensor. Normally, sensor is the basic meaning is sense something. That is a sensor, sense something. Something is here information. Something is here information. Right. Okay. Then what is actuators? That is a very, very important process. Actuators. We take the example is, suppose I am driving the car in the highway system, right? Now, suddenly some of the obstacles, suddenly some of the obstacles are human beings or animals cross over the road. What I am doing that I am applying the pressure to the brake. While you are apply the pressure to the brake, right? That air pressure can be converted into mechanical motion, and it will be applied to the clutch, and it will be stop the tire. So the actuator is what? We can getting the physical motion. The output is your physical motion. Output is your physical motion, right? But how this physical motion is converted, that is the mechanical movement is converted to the physical motion. That is your actuator. Then interfacing is communication is that the communication is transferring information. So here there is a various types of protocols they are using that one. That is one is SPI, that is a serial peripheral interface, and SCI, serial communication interface, and UART, that is a universal asynchronous receiver transfer protocol, and I2C, that is a integrated intercommunication protocol. That protocols can be used for the interfacing, and linked to environment is peripherals is that is a output hardware device, that is a printer, monitor, and display devices are come to be the linked to environment. That is so all these components are incorporated in a single embedded system. So it is a that the point is here is that it is a application, embedded system is application specific system. That is a task of the embedded system, and it is a application. So far we can see the slides or these videos for past 10 minutes. Only we see the what is the basics of embedded system, what are the components we have to be used for embedded system, and what is the difference between the general purpose system and embedded system, and some of the applications we have to see this one. In next videos we will see the how the design of the embedded system to be incorporated. Thank you.